Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to fix Pentry tool is not working Windows 11. So guys, very easy method and within 2 to 3 minutes resolve this issue. So first method, click to start, type run, open it, then type w. So this command, okay, wsreset dot exe. So click to OK, and after that it will open the Microsoft Store. So it's not different when it will enter this command. So it will restart, reset the background of all, include installed application services. Okay, after it will open it, you can close it. Then next, re-register the Spentry tool. So click to start and type PowerShell. This command I will give you in the description. So PowerShell, right click to administrator, and after that click to yes for the administrator access. So I am talking about this command, okay, in the descriptions. Then hit enter. After that run some percent. Okay, yeah, so it is installed. So this command is used for re-register. Suppose if missing, it's not working, so for this, and then it's completed without any error, and then close it. Next method, repair the app. So click to start and then go to setting, then click app, then install app, then scroll down, find out S, come on, S series, sound Spentry tool, click on three dot and then click advanced option, then scroll down and click to reset, then repair and then terminate. Then wait for complete both repair and reset. Okay, and then close it. The next method, repair Windows file. Sometimes it's your Windows file and corrupted, so that's why it's not working. So click to start, type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator, then click for yes, then type sfc space slash scan now and then enter, then hit enter. It will start some percentage and it will corrupted file restore and recovered, okay, within 1 minute. And guys, you follow this method, all the method, and then restart is your system, because this is compulsory. Okay, after that your 100% issue is resolved. So if resolved, so please comment me. If not comment me, I will support you. Okay, bye, take care.